How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. So if you want to fix your Facebook Messenger is not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. For that, you can open up your browser and then go with speed test. Now, click on the first website and then click on go and make sure that your internet is working properly. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to simply go with your messenger and reload the page. After reloading, your problem might be fixed. But even after reloading, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go with the three dots, which will be right here, and then go with settings. Or just simply go with your profile, which will be on the top, and then you will find the logout option. Click on the profile, go with log out of your account, and then again log back in, and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your Facebook and make sure that you've logged in on your Facebook. After logging in on your Facebook, you need to go with your messenger icon, which will be at the top, and from here you need to go with see all in messenger, and it will load you to your messenger, and it will work. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with the three dots, which will be on the top, and then you need to go with history and go with open history page. From here, you need to go with delete browsing data and then delete your last hour or last 24 hours or last 7 days. Go with delete data, which will be on the bottom, and once you delete it, your problem will be fixed. Or just simply go and click on the power button and then click on restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.